So guys, greetings to you all. Greetings to you who are watching this video now. If you are not subscribed, guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share the video. We're gonna be doing this street here. Those guys who are staying in Johannesburg, do you know this street? Yeah. Do you know this street here? Let me know if you know the street down below in the comments. This side here is much cleaner. It's only portions of Johannesburg that is dirty, guys. Not everywhere. You can say it's dirty. No, I bet to say no. There are portions, especially the MTN zone. Yeah, look here. Look at these buildings there. And these ones. So this is Johannesburg for you guys. We're bringing Africa to the world. Africa is beautiful. You can imagine this kind of a city in Africa. Johannesburg is one of the biggest cities here in Africa, known in everything, economically. Always fast life. Fast life. I love fast life. Who doesn't like fast life? Don't be scared for fast life. Get rich early, get rich sooner, and get poor sooner. No, not like that. They say, I mean, it's what people say about this city, right? They say, get rich quick and get poor quick. How so? Let me tell you something. It's not to say something bad has to happen to you, but the thing is how you use your money, because there are really nice things here. Actually, Joburg is so much to offer that so that I mean, Joburg is so much to offer that even your money is not enough if you use it in a bad way. Because there is entertainment, top entertainment, nightlife, from morning to the next morning. How amazing. And you know, so many other things other than night spending and nice things and all that stuff. So I think I love Johannesburg. I love Joburg. It has everything that you might want. You know, actually Joburg competes a lot of cities around the world, not only here in Africa, okay, but around the world. Look at those buildings there. Let's cross. This is Western Union. There. Right. And some Via Via there. Buses. Local buses. This is another street. I haven't asked you which street. You know, it's not like I'm not familiar with this place, but sometimes I do tend to forget this street is completely. That I only just walk around without knowing, but knowing where I'm going, but without knowing the street. This is Africa National Congress, right? Let's walk along this street, guys. Yeah. You see, Johannesburg is actually different in a way. Those streets that you see that are so like everything is quick, and I mean there are so many people walking there. It's actually that place, those places that is got that is near taxi ranks, bus stations, and all that, you know. Yeah, you can see there is a difference in the street. Yeah, it's quite cool, you know. It's not as busy because there are offices here. As you can see, yeah, business offices, there are banks in this place here, so it's quite cool. You can enjoy being in Joburg if you just don't want the, you know, the crowd, and this is the place to be. You can just come enjoy yourself. These streets almost look the same streets as Pretoria, especially this side here. It's not that at all, very clean. So hey, Joburg guys, don't let those people paint you and say Joburg city is dirty. There are places that is dirty. I mean, I'm walking here, you show me where it's dirty. This camera is showing you everything, right? Look at that. Do you see this street dirty? Tell me about it. Let me know if you've seen anyone dirty in these streets here. Just comment down below. Maybe you don't agree with me, but this is my observation, because in every place that I go, I make sure I observe. I make sure I've got the right information for people according to what I'll be observing under my observations on the ground. But you know, our observations are different. You might have observed it differently, you know. Yeah, that happens. Might have observed it differently with me. Guys, can you see those beautiful buildings here? But I think that building there is deserted. You can see broken windows there. I think there was fire some other time. Guys, can you let me know about it? And also here, there is this deserted flat here. You can see that. I don't know what happened there, but it looks like something bad happened there, like burning the flat band. So, other than that, everything is top notch. I love this area. This is an area to be. Someone was asking me, because I was asked by a subscriber who asked me that I should come here to do some vlogs here in Johannesburg. He wanted to see the areas. So
telling me the regrets and stuff like that.
I said I would do the whole street is there, a row is there, you know. So this is what I did, and this is what I'm doing for the subscriber. It's actually a long time that I was asked to do this, but the key for the people who asked me to do some places is a little bit long, so I need to do each and every area. So this street that we are walking in, we need to find out what street this is, so that you know where this nice street. Let me ask this guy. Hi, how are you? Sure, sharp. What street is this one?
This is Commissioner Street.
Commissioner Street, ne?
Yeah.
Exactly. Thanks, man.
Sharp.
All right. I thought so. I thought I knew. I did not think. This is Commissioner Street. This is Commissioner Street, guys. It's where you find these taller buildings and nice. Can you see that? And yes, this shows this area is being cleaned, because you can see the garbage is here by the dustbin, and it's waiting for those guys who cleans, you know, the municipality people, just to come with their trucks and pick up the garbage. This is good, don't you think? So can you say Joburg is dirty? Not everywhere is dirty, guys. Not everywhere is dirty. So let's keep on going down a little bit down there. Going up there, I don't know which area that is, but I was wondering if I could ask someone. Hey, yeah. There is you see, there is water there, down there. So if these cars are coming by, you can easily get splashed by water there. You see what's happening there? So this guy who's going up there, now what happened? Something like that nearly happened. He was nearly splashed by a lot of water, and he's smart. Maybe going to use to see his cherry. Yeah, guys, this is Walk Africa, and if you are enjoying this video, guys, thumbs up. Please like the video, also share it. That's the only way we can grow. We need to grow so that we can reach a larger audience who can see what we are doing here in Africa, who can see, to be able to see our beautiful Africa. You know what I mean? Look at this building. Look at this building from here. Isn't it amazing? Very amazing. Now I'm actually down here. Let me see. So we've been doing Commissioner Street, right? I don't think we can carry on going there. This is Commissioner Street for you guys, and if you've liked the video, I would like you to subscribe, like I've said, share, and do whatever you have to do on your social networks, sharing the video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.